Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another live trading session. This May 11th. Looking at the markets here, we had, let's look on the 5-minute chart. We were moving higher overnight, hit this high from Friday and sold off completely. This was also a news-driven sell-off. CPI data came out, 8.3%, which is really high. Market sold off because of it. We are currently formed an inverse head and shoulders. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Trying to get above this area here that was point of control from yesterday. If we can get above there, we're definitely going to a value area high. Market's going to open up here in 4 minutes. So this could be just a retracement. VWAP might be an interesting area for a short. Other than that, still somewhat trending upwards, or sorry, downwards. So we've had a major downtrend, consolidation, it seems, just kind of going back and forth. And this could be a consolidation to go lower. Not 100% sure what the market wants to do. I'm watching this trend line. I think I might go short on the break of this trend line. I'm going to be watching VWAP, see if there's a lot of sellers up here or not. We do have a pretty wide distribution, so could expect a pretty choppy session. Nasdaq is down about 1%. ES is down about 0.4%. So it's not too bad of a drawdown so far. Nasdaq had a good recovery yesterday. So I did continue to trade up 150, and then down 1,000, then up 1,300. Saw a really nice area to short, and we rode that a bit. Obviously, we rode it all the way down here, a lot of profit, but gotta get out while you can, and know when to just stop trading. So coming down to this trend line here, gonna bounce off of it. Just watching here, not inclined to take a trade yet. The market's about to open here in 40 seconds. So when the market opens, this could definitely just pop up or pop down. Delta's looking pretty good. Got some buyers coming in. So not 100% sure what the market wants to do, so I'm going to try to be a little patient. Yesterday had computer issues, which was pretty unfortunate. Today I don't have all the lag. I think with coming back from vacation and having computer issues and not having traded for a while, I think it definitely messed with my head. Got a little impatient, I would say, in trading. So markets opened up here. Just gonna watch, see what happens. Still having issues here at this point of control from yesterday. It's like a perfect rejection off of it. Yes, it's looking a lot better than the NAS. break. And this could be all due to the CPI data being really high. Still really volatile first 5 minutes here, so we'll just wait. There's gonna be plenty of opportunities. I think that's probably one problem I have is always wanting to just short at the very top or buy at the very bottom. There's plenty of opportunities to make money. Like, you think about it, you really just need a good trade that lasts 30 seconds. That's like $1,000 right there. We got VWAP here. Interested to see what happens. Delta's pretty strong. Could reject off of this though. Is this VWAP? I always gotta double check. Make sure the chart loads enough information. See, that is not VWAP. One thing I hate about Trade of 8. I was looking at this and it's like a lot higher there. So we got opponent control up here. Did save this trend line, so good thing for the bulls. Looks like we're gonna go and try to test VWAP. See what happens here. I'd like to see this 5-minute close out. Don't really have much of a trend, so we did bounce here off of the 9 SMA. Retest the point of control from yesterday. I'd like to see if we accept or reject these prices. All in all, though, pretty good bounce up. I think a retracement to value area high up here makes sense. I think I might go and buy here. Alright, so we end the trade. Pretty heavy candle here. I'd like to see more buyers here. We're at this trend line here, so we're out. So that, in terms of buying right there, in my mind, it seemed like a good area to buy. Want to control this trend line. Obviously, we got taken out really fast. That's why you gotta have your stops. Even though it looks like a good probability trade, you gotta have your stops in because you never know what the market's gonna do. So this candle here tells me we should probably look for shorts when control shifted all the way down here. Come down to value area low. See, it always sucks starting the day off with in the red. Said I was gonna wait for this 5-minute to close, and I definitely should have waited. But this setup looked pretty good. I'm gonna control here and this trend line, and I was willing to risk the 245. See how this plays out. New 5-minute candle. Expect some sort of retracement up here. gonna see if we get a retest up here, point of control from yesterday. Doesn't look like it. Like we're about to sell off some more. We're at Valley area low. We'll see what happens there. Lose this, we're going to lows of yesterday. We have this sort of downtrend forming. I just don't know 100% what I want to do right now. So I'm just going to sit and wait. Have a downtrend from market open. Close to support. Didn't quite get the VWAP test up here, but trying to break this downtrend. These are looking pretty strong here. So we're almost making like a W. If we can hold here, could potentially come up to recover this. This could be a secondary pullback or a reversal. I think we're looking okay here. Almost got stopped out. Nervous on this move. I want to see better distance. Delta's pretty heavy though. We got stopped out there. So I think it's what we were thinking. It's just secondary pullback here. Probably gonna resume lower. Like we should have. I think I gotta move my stops higher, but I don't. Either that or I gotta work on my entries. Got stopped out and then it ramped up. We're looking like we're going strong with delta buys here, and I was thinking that this was a break of the downtrend. Wow, that would have been really nice. Trying to go to the highs of the day. This could be a retest of this uptrend. Got the VWAP test here. Yes. Like we go to VWAP. Just would have been nice if we didn't get stopped out here. Bummer. Try to move this stop down because I thought that was going to be a good area to bounce, but we literally just got taken out. Good trades, 2 losing trades, down 520. Just trying to see where good area of entry would be. That feels pretty strong, so I don't want to start shorting this yet. What would make sense? BS blew through VWAP like nothing. There we are at VWAP. Past the VWAP here. We covered this uptrend in the overnight. Gosh, if this didn't stop us out. Should have looked at point of control from today as an area to go long instead of the area low from yesterday. So what happens here? I really wish this just didn't miss this trade, I tell you. If I had waited, definitely would not have gotten stopped out. Would hit a profit target up here. Point control from yesterday. This. We have this. appears we lost this uptrend. Goodness. Volatility is just way too high. Not sure what we're trying to do. Yeah, it's looking pretty strong. The Delta virus breaking through. Just straight move up. Probably going to Valley area high. I got about one more trade left in me. Sucks to have all losing trades so far. 1, 2, 3. This one would have been a great winning trade if we didn't get stopped out. Wow, like I said, Valley area high from yesterday. Beyond that, we'll definitely go to the highs from yesterday. It's all the way up here somewhere. Almost recovered this entire move up, or this entire move down. We're at Valley area high, like I said. Could have went long here, but I was too hesitant. Definitely can continue higher if we wanted to. We could go to highs from yesterday up here. Somewhat of a rejection here. We might come back down to gather some more people, bring us upwards. Somewhat rejecting Valley area high from yesterday. Pretty good rejection. Fire's still coming back in though. We got good buyers up here. Values all the way down here. It's pretty interesting. So why is the market going out of value? I think I'm gonna go long here, VWAP. Such a risky area. We've had this nice ramp up. Maybe should have went long here. It's basically the high of the 5-minute candle. An entry. First, this entire move. Can we get back up within this trend line? That's the question. Just have a lot of buyers up here. The area high, a bit of a rejection here, breaking this trend line. Thinking I retraced the belly area high, possibly. Nervous because we got a lot of good buyers here. Just want to see how this plays out. Have some good delta selling here. We do have some buyers down here though. We put in control from yesterday. The area high. Went off base off the trend line break. Valley area high from yesterday. I like to see heavier deltas. So I'll make sure I secure some profit here. One. Like to see Valley area high. Debating on just getting out here. Seems like we're going to Valley area high. Good enough for me. It's looking at 1300, and probably we're gonna get there. We actually might go more, but really happy with that trade. Patience was key. Wish that this trade worked out. That would have been amazing. Would have been a beautiful trade up. But it's just that our entry was bad. Volatility is high. That's why I moved my stops up here. Point of invalidation would have been definitely at the high here. Cut this one short. Just wanted to have stuff on the table. This took out our losses from today, and then this one was our runner that gave us a nice profit. So basically we saw this uptrend, very strong, very, I guess, irrational buying. Totally missed it on this upward move. Tried to short here, thought that we had some good areas to short. We were at belly area high. This candle, it looked like it wanted to go down, which we did have a move downwards, but it should have just looked at this, waited for this trend line to form out, waited for the trend line, came up, belly area high from yesterday, saw some steam, saw some deltas coming in that were selling, came back up, retest of the belly area high, almost got stopped out, so we moved our stops up just because volatility is pretty high. And then yeah, took it off here. We're coming back. We could form an M pattern. We're going lower, or this could be the second leg. Only way to be certain is to see the break of this trend line. Thought that this would be another trend line also, so it depends on where we're trying to go. So we do have this downtrend here also. So we'll see which one wins. The bears are trying to make this downtrend go. The bulls are trying to keep this one now. Really good retracement, pretty much. That's what this trade was. Retracement from this move upwards. Pretty risky, but high risk, high reward. We had a nice sell-off. I was gonna keep a runner down here, but I decided to just cut it short. But yeah. Interesting thing is we have a 60% losing trade ratio, 40% winning. However, we are in the green, 1370, and that's why you have stops. So you got to keep your stops. Obviously this one didn't work out well, but my area of entry was pretty bad. But yeah, pretty happy with that trade. Would have been nice to keep this one on for that long also. Would have had an extra 700 or so on there, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. Down 700 to up 1370, pretty happy with that. Bulls are trying to maintain this trend line. Starting to break here, we're coming back into this bear downtrend. We could go and adjust this for the bears if we wanted to. That's how it's looking out. Just the economic news didn't make sense why we would come up except to try to retrace this massive down move. So got up here, lost its momentum, came down. We'll see if VWAP will continue to hold the support. That might be a good area to short if we lose it. So break down below it, come back up, retest, short, and resume lower. But that's it for today. If you guys are continuing to trade, hope you guys have a profitable day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.